Hello, welcome back to the channel. We are still working with geometry question. We have this figure. We need to find the value of y. Our figure has properties that will help us to find the value of y. That is, we have isosceles triangle that is shown by these signs here. And also, we have two lines intersecting at this point, which give us vertical opposite angle. And we know the vertical opposite angle, they are equal. This means that this angle here is going to be 55. The reason behind, they are vertical opposite angle, and vertical opposite angle, they are congruent. Since this angle is 55, this angle also is going to be 55 because the base angle of isosceles triangle, they are equal. Also, this angle is 55 degrees. We do know that the sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180. That is, the sum of interior angle of a triangle give us 180 degree. Now, 55 plus y, this gives us 180 degree. Plus y, this is equal to 180 degree. 55 plus 55, we get 110 plus y, this gives us 180. Take 110 to the right hand side, we remain with y is equal to 180, take away 110. Now the value of y is equal to 180, take away 110, we get 70 degree. I hope you understand this geometry question. For more questions on geometry, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.